we called Guardian, and I think his name was Brent. He came out, and he was the greatest guy. He had so much experience. He never tried to oversell us on anything. He went up on the roof and he took pictures of some issues that we had. Now, he told us that the roof was good, it wasn't leaking, but there was a problem with the chimney that after talking to him, I saw that it had been leaking into my house into 2 rooms. And there was also an issue with a couple of the vents. They were original and the shroud around them had rotted and cracked. What he did was he set us up with a moss cleaning, which was fantastic. And every time I looked at my house, I would actually back up my car when they were finished and I would drive past my house again. And I could look from my new siding all the way up to the top of the roof and it looked brand new. And I knew it wasn't leaking. The guys were on time. The masonry guy who did our chimney was fantastic. There's no more leaks. The guys who cleaned it were great. Who put up our gutters were great. And they cleaned up. My yard was actually cleaner than it was before they came out. So I was impressed with that. I was impressed with Brent. I was impressed with the work. And I will no doubt refer Guardian for anything roof or gutter related.